part what this piece is.
It started out so strong.
The eye blends in with yours.
It started out so strong.
I was so confident. Now my confidence is going down very quickly.
Delicate touch. I even know what line you're getting. It's crazy.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I know where I messed up right from the beginning. So it looks like you left a little space right here for his
Yeah.
chest, right?
Do you think that's definitely the only thing?
I think that's the only thing that
Jody's cutthroat. I love it.
Jody is just chopping me down.
Yeah, so that's generally the direction I went. I didn't shade too much under the nose and mouth because like there's something to be said for keeping the two like a little consistent.
Yeah.
Like it looks like you did the same here that I did over here. I don't know if that was influenced by me or if you just knew to do that, which I'm impressed.
I think it was you were influenced by me because I started.
I definitely did this, but we're gonna cut to the part of the video where I do that.
I don't know. Alright, rewind and like I'm pretty sure I
We're
did it
definitely
first.
gonna show that I did this first.
It's gonna be a little.
And then
I'm also gonna, just so people can get a clear image of what one
you're like, you don't want my side to be mixed in with yours. Gosh, that actually looks so good.
When you reveal it to me, can you show me one side at a time like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which side do you want to see first?
That's up to you.
Should we just go ahead and show?
With the show, yeah.
Okay.
Because I don't have.
Wait,
I'll
so
show you- I'll show
face-
you-
Face me towards the monitor a little bit. Am I
You are,
facing
you
it?
are.
Alright. So I'm showing you whose side am I looking at, right?
Mine first.
I got my eyes. Go for it.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa! That's crazy!
Isn't that crazy?
Yo, that's nuts.
I mean, if you think that's crazy, you gotta check mine out. Close your eyes.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Hold on.
I'm scared.
Mine is so much better.
Go
You're
for
gonna
it.
love it.
All right,
3,
look.
2, 1.
Ah! What am I? Wait, show me both at the same time. Whoa, that's so trippy.
So, score out of 1 out of 10. What would you rate my side, Jody?
Don't. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Nah,
Don't make me do it.
First time ever doing makeup.
First time.
It's not terrible. I'll give him credit. It's not terrible.
3.
I'm dead. You chopped off the last
Jody.
of me.
Jody, you gave him a 3.
Alright guys, so comment down below which side is better. Who won? Jody or me?
He gave me a 2 and I gave him a 3, so. I
When
guess
he rated you a 2.
he did.
What?
That's true. If it was a full face, it would be a 10 out of 10. Since it's half, I'll give you a 5 out of 10. So, I mean,
That's great logic.
The old one. She's gonna turn me the new one.
Not intentionally. We're aiming for the new
new
one.
one.
All right.
Oh, it's looking good.